Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use the programmable button on your Marshall S106. Open the Marshall app. First, play any music. It can be radio or anything else. Set Bluetooth as the source, and you'll see presets like Preset 1. Play something on Spotify or a radio station, then go back to presets. If it doesn't work, try internet radio and select local stations. Pick a station, go back, tap presets, then tap preset 1 and save. Turn off the app, switch to Bluetooth, and play music on your speaker. Press the programmable button and you'll switch to your radio. That's how it works. Goodbye.